All right, so he is a creative at heart. With a little glitter, some glue, pencils, and paper. Hazel Muir crafts his postcards by hand. He's here to tell us why he decided to get into this business. Good morning to you, Sir Hazel.
Good
it's
morning.
Good to have you
Good morning.
on Smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
How long have you been doing these cards?
I've been doing them for about over 15 years.
Wow.
Yes.
All right, so your story is a very, very interesting one. You customize the cards, so you either come up with ideas or you talk to the folks who you're making the cards for and you come up with the ideas together. But you say whatever it is you want on the card, you can make it happen.
Both.
Yeah.
Yeah, I work with both of them. Whatever you want on it, and I come up with a design and put it forward to you. And if you choose, then you accept, and then I made a card.
How did you acquire this skill of making cards?
I was, some years ago, I was incarcerated.
Yeah.
And I went there and I realized, saw other persons doing it, and I liked it. And I remember I read something from one of the Matalan. They say, anything you find yourself love doing, invest in it. So I chose, say, okay, I love doing this and I love music. So I said, I'm going to do this. So the three persons who I saw doing, making cards, I put the three designs together and I practiced writing to write like this, and it just came out like this.
So while you were incarcerated, you were looking at what they were doing.
Yes.
And you learned from them.
Yes.
And probably even surpassed what they're doing.
I
No?
believe so.
You think so?
Yes.
So you have been a free man for how long?
4 years now.
4 years.
Yes.
And is this what you've been doing since you?
Yes.
So this is really this is your job.
Yes, it
Yeah.
is.
All right. So let's look at some of the cards
Okay.
that you have made with some of the messages. So you're really trying to make them very Jamaican.
Yes.
And authentic.
Yes.
So this one says, have an Irie Christmas, Mom. Okay.
And some of them is, well, I have the Christmas designs
Yes.
like this, but I maintain some with the Merry Christmas. And this now,
This is way more Jamaican. This
Right,
is a
and if
Jamaican
you-
Christmas. Every
right.
palm tree and your beach and
good.
your...
And if you look on the inside now, you see the difference with it. And
This one, let me read the message. This one say, "Ay, so nice." Christmas yard is always a memorable moment as we are reminded of the Christmas cake, the rich soil, and the food. I miss you, so I want to say, have a yardy Christmas.
And
That's
this one now
nice.
is the,
This one says, have a sorrel Christmas, everyone. Let us have a drink of sorrel with a little tip of rum, a little tip of rum in there. That's all?
yes.
Okay, I'm just trying to...
Put in little pot wine.
Hey, let us enjoy Christmas. I'm full with belly and be Irie. Love the vibes and love your company. So let us enjoy Christmas in an Irie and sorrel way. So who do you find are the people who are... First of all, how do you get the word out about your cards? And who are the people who are buying the cards?
Well, I get customers from different persons, yes. And I have a good market, a niche market where I feel comfortable with so far.
What is that market? Is it Jamaicans? Is it Jamaicans
Yes,
abroad?
local, Jamaican.
Local people?
Yes.
Okay, and do you find that most of them want to customize and do their own messages, or
Yes.
they like the designs that you already do?
Yes, they customize and some like the design
Okay.
that I do.
I'm looking at the fonts that you have on the cards, right?
Yeah.
Some of them look like the things that you'd find on the computer. Guys, can we get that chart again? I'm looking at that one there that look like it have a little bit of old English on the bottom with that different font at the top, the one that says have a sorry Christmas.
Yeah.
How much time did it take you to master the art of writing in those different styles?
All right, a postcard will take me a little less than 2 hours, okay? The writing, I do the writing myself, not on computer, everything is hand.
So even the one at the bottom that look like calligraphy,
Yeah,
like the one that says Mom,
yes,
that's
it is.
all you?
Yes, I stencil it out and place a fabric between the card. So when you look at it, you definitely see the
It's
different.
embossed, it's raised.
Yes.
So what about technique going to this, Sir Henzel?
Yes.
And clearly you're an artist too, so as you sketch all of those images on there as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow. T-shirts you're going into now?
Yes, I am in the T-shirt too. How I learned this, when I was incarcerated, an inmate in the tailor shop asked me, to put a scorpion on a jacket because the officer want that. I said, I don't know if the glitters can work, but I tried it and I saw it work. And I said, wow. And from there, I just started to do the zodiac signs on shirts, all different kind of tough stuff, and blazers, dress, tights, and all those things.
You're not sparing anything?
No.
The shirt you have on is you doing?
Yes.
Of course it's you.
Yes.
It's like a lion.
It is, yeah, no.
It's a who?
Panther.
Oh, it's a panther.
Yes.
Okay. And who's, what, let me see that one again, guys. Is that your shot? I just saw one over there. I can't see the one on the front. Is this a Christmas tree on the front over here?
No, it's a ganja leaf, marijuana leaf, with smoking a marijuana leaf.
Yes, sir. All right, because why be left out of the cannabis revolution? Very cool. How do you sell the cards? What do you sell the cards for?
From $800 up.
Okay.
And if you come with a special customized design, maybe you will pay a little bit more.
Of course. Well,
Yes.
it's customized.
Yes.
And what about the T-shirts now?
The T-shirt you get from $1,000 up.
Okay.
Yes.
And if you're customizing, that's a little bit more expensive.
That's a little
too.
bit more.
And if we want to order from you, how do we do that, Sir Henze?
Well, my number is 821-4722.
821-4722. And you also do artwork for framing.
Yes, that I did that. That's my recent work, Emperor Selassie, with the glitters and stuff.
Maybe the better question to ask you is what you don't do. Because you do the cards, you do the T-shirts, you're doing...
Well, I always say that I'm a gift.
Yeah. Well, you're using the gift, eh?
Yes.
And your story is really very special. To
Thank
have
you.
gone through what you went through and to have turned your life around and doing this now. And to be here this morning
Yes.
to showcase it to not just Jamaica but the entire world who's watching. Please support Sir Hensel Muir. If you want a postcard this Christmas, if you want a T-shirt to wear on Christmas dinner day, it might have a cannabis emblem, it may not. Whatever it is you want, he can get it on there for you. If you want the cards, you have to order far in advance.
Yes.
Like a day, 2 days.
Yes.
All
yes.
right. Okay. Because I'm sure that he's already busy, and after this morning, he's going to be a lot more busy. It's an honor to have met you, Sir Henze. Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much for the time. And thanks
Hensel
to
Muir,
TVJ.
postcard maker, T-shirt maker, designer, artist. Let's just leave it at artist. After the break, Dee Murphy and friends will take our Smile stage. Please stay with us.